Nag-Uber po kami. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Ano po, nabasa. Ay, tapay ito na ano. Uber namin. Ito na lang. Thank you. Yeah, thanks. Thank you. Naulan eh. Yun. May homeless po tayong kasama. Yun.
Customer information is aging action. Chima, please go to the new lane. Votre attention s'il vous plaît. Le service à la cliente.
Pupunta na kami sa pilahan. Ang haba na. Box office na. Mali. Mali yung pinilahan. Mali yung pinilahan mo eh. Saan ka uuwi? Baka ano yung... Oh yeah, this one. This one. Ang kere mo.
What's the final destination?
What's that?
What's the final destination?
Oh, Philippines, Manila.
After they check
E-travel? Yeah, sure.
That's Esther and Vivek, right?
Vivek.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do we have, right?
Diyan kayo.
How many check-in luggages?
4?
All luggages, no boxes?
No.
Okay. For the check-in luggages, there should not be any batteries, power banks, especially power banks.
Yeah.
Maybe iron batteries or devices.
Okay.
Right side, taxi, left side, security. Bye. But you need to do manual transfer from money. Come and drop for the transportation. Like Daraga don't have the custom. That's why you need to go through custom by money. It's for everyone there.
Boarding passes. So the tags are at the back, so there's 4 tags. Gate today is D70, 10 o'clock the boarding time, and these are your seat numbers, 43F and 43T.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Have a good one. Exit's just over here in gate D.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Just remember, ask the guy.
Boarding passes, please. Can you have the other one, please? Survive. Nakalusot lahat.
Yes! Lalo ko pinungusan. Ayun, hanap ka ng upan doon para maayos mo.
Yeah. Nakalampas na kami sa immigration.
Salamat kinala.
Po. Ito na. Marco. Ayaw niyan sumakay. Oo. He changed his mind. Happy yarn. Ano? Oh, bakit? Oh. Kung open pa sila. Nakapasok na kami sa loob. Ano na kami ng gate namin. Pero kakain muna kami. Boarding na po kami.
Ako.
Ito na siya.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a boarding announcement for Philippine Airlines Flight 117 with service to Manila. Kindly remain seated until your row.
Sir Esther daw ako. Sir Esther. Hindi na lang, hindi ko na videohan. Maliit nga yung airline natin. Maliit nga. Yeah. Airline. Okay ka lang. Mr. Wala. Yun ang pag-ibulsa. Pinabalde.
I mean, I think I tried, but it's like.
Hi, welcome aboard. We have your boarding pass now. Merry Christmas. Thank you for style po.
Hello, mabuhay.
Merry Christmas po! Welcome on board! Merry Christmas po!
Kakagulo na kami. Ha? No, like. Okay.
Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The local time is 5:20 in the morning, and today's today is December 27, 2024. The ground temperature is 26 degrees Celsius or 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Remain seated with your seatbelt security fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off.
No ba?
For an orderly manner on this disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for the plane. passengers complaining as soon as we receive clearance to do so. We remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead storage bins or retrieve your items, as this may have shifted during the flight. All passengers in connecting flight out of Manila will be given priority. Remain seated until your roll numbers have been called upon for deployment. Passengers who need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Don Filotina and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Hey, we survived. Pag-orders. Sundin na kami. Isa naman ang very haggard.
Cabin crew check doors are disarmed. When ready, door may be opened. To all passengers, welcome to Manila. Maraming salamat po.
Namoy ng Manila. Namoy ng Manila.
Magdumong. Bye,
Here. Welcome to Manila. Maraming salamat po.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Yung passport ko.
Saan sa akin?
Gutom na.
Hindi ko. Saan tayo? Lakasin na. Thank you.
Ito pa naman.
Hindi pa gumagana yung brake niya. Pag-let go mo. Nag-let go rin. Kailangan mong patras. Kailangan mong patras. Kasi hindi gumagana yung brake niya.
Sira na yung mga brake.
Pag binitawan mo, tatakbuhan niya. Oh, patras. Galing yun.
Para hindi sana nalabas na.
Wala ka, tarutan nila ka.
Ang init.
So, the eyes.
Atik na. Ay, dyan ito? Diyan na.
Sana all. Payat. Payat. Payat ka? What? Nag-diet oh.
Oh!
Jay sa unag ato. Ay, yun na para ba ito?
Para mo natin.
No. May oras nga pa sa mga pati niya.
Ayun lang, kasi pagpumila.
Girl, at least ang nag-work. At least ang nag-work. Ang itulog na.
Hindi na babasa ka dito.
Pag na-post ko dahil ito, mabulong ng YouTube.
Bakit may kailang kayo ko ito nakita meron? Alangan.
Jai.
Tagas ng temperate pa.
Why?
Manay pa.
Yeah. Hey. Magbe-breakfast.
Nadala yung mga
Lagi! Oh, hi ko na.
Hello.
Kaya ano masasabi mo sa vlog ko? Ang manya, nagpumutong niya.
Susunod ka dumaplap pa.
So, naganagawa po di Canada.
John.
Kuya, kumain dyan. Yung galing kami ng Canada, hindi kami nagtitim Hortons doon, pero dito kami nagtitim Hortons. Push daw, push. Boyfriend. So ata, Jay, nagiling niya kasi. Sa barako, kape-barako.
Tatalumot.
Gudwa kami kanong kinain. Ano, alam mo, Jay ko.
Kape.
Oh, Americano, mainit.
Yes. I can eat.
May dadaan kami yung mga pasalubong. Mas malaki. Ito, maganda for it. Ito, ay, ito sa'yo.
Ito rin sa kanya. Yung ano yan, sa may t-shirt. Batch nila ng ano, t-shirt nila nung batch sa reunion.
Mas malaki na si Shang sa'yo.
Ay, ikaw ng ninong ko.
Ay, buti na nila na. Oh, mas malaki na rin. Hello.
Kaya tayo 12 lang yan.
Dito-dito ka ba?
Ano na si Biyahe yun?
Tapos diretso kami.
Traffic. Lalo dito.
Hindi ng traffic dito.
May mga naglakad na kayo.
Oo.
Mas madali pag naglakad ka. Yung 5 minutes mo pag
Maglakad ka na lang pag galing ka doon
Kasi namin si Kuya na sumundo sa amin.